Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the YouTube Studio app. Something went wrong, error quickly and easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option. Tap on search bar, search for YouTube Studio app. Tap on YouTube Studio app and scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear data. Delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow, back, and second microphone allow. Another notifications, turn on notifications. Okay, back to home screen and tap on force stops. Okay, back and check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for YouTube Studio. Tap on YouTube Studio app and check update your YouTube Studio app. My YouTube Studio app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and tap on open option and you can see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.